Now let's see how to insert a div. A div is a really useful tool when it comes to web design. Let's go to the tools bar and click on the div icon. We have some options to insert the div. We can set the width, the height, and we can tell it if we want it to be a floating div, always visible, dependent, or embedded. If we choose float, we can set the position of the div at the top, at the bottom, and how many pixels from the bottom it will be displaying. We can also tell it if we want it on the left or on the right, and how many pixels from the right in this case. We can also choose always visible, which is kind of like fixed in a certain position in our website, so it will always be there even if there's a scroll bar. So make sure to tell it exactly where you want it. We can also set it as dependent, and in this case the div will be moving according to where it is positioned and what objects are before and after it. And we can also set it as embedded. This option is gonna set the div in a static position, so you won't be able to move it or tell it where you want it to show. In this case we'll choose float and click OK. Now we can also move the div manually. We can select it and move it. If we want to edit the properties of that div, all we have to do is click on it, then go to the properties panel, and we can always edit the position and the general options.